Airport official tells us United Flight 107, ExpressJet 4637, Delta Flight 1832, and AirTran Flight 297 were all hit but able to land safely, and no one was hurt. And Gene Norman is here now. And Gene, a lot of rain and lightning tonight.
That's right, and there's more to come. In fact, we could be dealing with 2 more rounds of the kind of weather we've seen today as we head into the weekend. Kind of a lull in the action right now over downtown Houston, but there are stronger thunderstorms starting to develop along the coast. Sections of Matagorda County and Brazoria County getting hit right now. Near Bay City, some lightning being detected there. Putting HD Doppler into the future mode, you can see how these thunderstorms will move up toward sections of Brazoria County, Wharton, and Fort Bend County. And after midnight, some of that rain could actually make it toward Houston. And this is not the weekend for rain with so many exciting events going on. First, I want to take you downtown, McKinney in Louisiana. That's where the Bayou City Classic kicks off. It's a great run and walk for folks trying to raise money for our parks. It'll be chilly to start. Temperatures in the upper 40s, only climbing to the low 50s. Also, the art car parade will be going on down there too. And then on Sunday, unfortunately, could be pretty soggy for a good event. That is AIDS Walk Houston, kicking off at Sam Houston Park. Temperatures will hopefully rise into the 60s, but it will be soggy. More on when all this comes to an end. The forecast in a few minutes.
All right. Thanks, Gene.
Right now, President Obama, scary. We've had some scary weather out there. Gene, with a look at the forecast, how's the forecast for the weekend looking?
It's looking like a stay inside weekend if you don't have anywhere to go, because showers and thunderstorms will come through in waves. There's another wave about to move in right now. Let's go over to HD Doppler. I'm tracking some thunderstorms in Matagorda County. That's what you see down here near Bay City, including some lightning. This is heading up into sections of Brazoria County. Should get to Van Vleck by 10:19, Wharton by 10:57, and then Bowling by 11 o'clock. So these storms will not only move into Brazoria County, also Fort Bend and Wharton County. By the way, this is about where Ellington Field is, so if Air Force One can get out now, that'd be great before more of these storms begin to move on in. Look at HD Doppler in a time lapse shows that we've been watching these thunderstorms increase as they come up the coast. In and around the city, not much going on other than low clouds and fog. A couple of showers up around Huntsville, stretching over toward Livingston. The culprit of all this is the front that came through last night. It's just offshore, but low pressure is developing here, and that's sending waves of energy up over the front and up over the cooler air, and that's what's triggering the showers and thunderstorms. You've got at least 2 more rounds of rain. One will arrive tomorrow, and then another one on Sunday. The one on Sunday could be a little bit heavier, and that's the one that has us concerned about the possibility of some localized areas of flooding, because we've already seen some heavy rain today. 1.5 inches here at the KHOU studios, almost 2 inches in Deer Park and Baytown, and nearly 3 inches in Bear Creek on our exclusive WeatherBug network of rain gauges. And as we widen the view across southeast Texas, hefty amounts also recorded, at least over in Cypress, over 1 inch there, 1/2 inch in the Woodlands, and nearly 1 inch down on Galveston Island. A live look outside, you can barely make out the tops of the buildings because of the low clouds. It's 52 degrees. We spent most of the day in the upper 40s and low 50s, and it's going to just get a little bit cooler into the overnight hours. Let's take a look at the weather where you live and show you that, especially north of town, we are looking for temperatures to fall into the 40s, chilly with a couple of passing light showers, 47 in Hempstead, 46 in Livingston. And then tomorrow, we're hoping to see a change in winds more to the southeast. That should help nudge the temperatures out of the 50s, maybe making it to 60 in places like Cold Spring, but probably 59 in Navasota. Cloudy and cool again with some showers. Along the coast, thunderstorms developing tonight will probably wake you up and maybe around in the morning. 47 in Anahuac, 54 down on Galveston Island, and tomorrow's highs will mainly be in the low 60s, again with the help of those changing southeast winds. Well, rating the next day's weather from 1 to 10, I can only give tomorrow a 5, and that's pretty generous. It's called the Norman Number. You can follow it on Twitter and my Facebook fan page. And the 7-day forecast has a reminder to turn the clocks ahead for early Sunday morning as daylight saving time begins. And then for spring breakers, good news, warmer weather as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Also a reminder that if you're out and about, can't watch TV, don't forget you can always get the free KHOU weather app for your iPhone, for your iPad, and for your Android phone too. You can watch the radar like we're doing right now. This is a radar from those storms moving into Brazoria and Matagorda County. A great way to stay up with the weather even when you can't be in front of a TV.
Yes,
gotta have that tool.
Yes.
All weekend.
Thank you, sir.
A big night at the Houston